news over the last few weeks about strange sounds being heard in the atmosphere. People around the world and here at home have reported hearing some bizarre noises. The latest were recorded in the Battlefords last weekend. John Baglieri has more on the strange occurrence that could have a very logical explanation.
It came in many forms last Sunday night. To some, it sounded like trumpets. To others,
Make it
a
bad, put
mariner's
on your
horn.
detective caps. Bink, because we've got a bit of a YouTube mystery on our hands. This video is from Conklin, an area in Alberta, Canada. You see some workers here, and they're filming because there are some strange and eerie sounds in the forest.
What?
And the sound repeats. Listen. Here's the thing. There are a lot of these videos circulating YouTube right now. This is just the latest, the one from Canada. There are videos coming from Sweden, Hungary, Costa Rica, all with similar strange sounds.
What?
Землі та швидко записали їх до чергової ознаки близького кінця світу. Усі користувачі переконують, що теж чули дивні звуки.
Ми в четвер, 11 числа, вранці, 5-6 ранку, на Борщагівці теж чули дивні звуки. Заснути неможливо, бо моторошно. Я живу в 3 хвилинах від місця. Коли чув цей звук, згадав фільм «Монстро».
Випадкове відео.
Emergency officials in Lower Bucks County have also received numerous calls about a large boom and the ground shaking, just like some folks were describing out here.
So far, no explanation of what happened here, but it really got the attention of a lot of people, even as far away as Ben Salem, reporting that they felt that their homes were shaking. Police radio have received a lot of calls. The police have received calls.
Don't go out there. You see anything? I know it's coming from there somewhere. I don't like how close that thing is. Oh.
Gotta get the kids in the
It was just so intense, and as a result of that, I got involved. I contacted the Ministry of the Environment to find out what the issue was and to find out what they knew about it.
Now, that was a news report, but I want to play for you. This is my buddy Sean. He is, like I said, he's a writer, a country music writer. He writes songs, okay? Some of his songs have been recorded out there. He's a great musician, songwriter. He's down there in Texas. He loves the Lord, and I've talked to him several times. He went and he was fascinated by the sounds that are being heard all over, because here's what he did. He said he picked up on listening to different YouTube videos. He thought he heard sounds that he had heard before of certain musical instruments tuning up. So he went and downloaded them all to see what it might sound like if it all was simultaneous. Because he has a theory, I think, that maybe they are all happening around the world, and you're hearing each part of the world hears one instrument. Another one here might hear another instrument out of heaven. But collectively, what is the sound that the earth is hearing? And let's play that now. It's about a 1-minute clip. it sounds like an orchestra that are tuning up, breaking in pattern. You could hear the sound like a huge bass drum. You could hear sounds of like maybe shofars. It's incredible. Are you serious?